A1. Okay. Right. Cucumber. POM. Then we are
Joshi, is this using Selenium?
yeah, Selenium.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, so this is what we are going to do, right? So this is what I'm trying to do now. Okay, so this is the logic, right? Okay, so to get an overview, right? Maven is a build tool. I tell shortly. I'm not going detail. Okay, to download. Okay, to download all the dependencies. Okay, and I'm just I'm not going very brief, just a very short thing. Okay, and the next one is Cucumber. Next one is POM, right?
I guess people who are not talking, can they go to mute?
It's a design pattern. Okay, so for each page, one class. Okay, and you should know page factory and at find by annotation. Last week we saw. Okay, page factory and at find by annotation. Okay, so this is the page object one. Okay, next one is BDD. Okay, okay. So this is, and we can use scenario and background if needed. Okay, so we can use, right? Okay, so we can use scenario outline and background if needed. Scenario outline is for data driven. Yeah, okay, so this is the thing. Okay, see you guys, right? Why I'm typing is, okay, so like if I talk, you might miss something. That's why if I type, right, you'll get a clear you won't miss something. That's why I type. Coding, hands-on, everything we are going to talk, right? Just please wait, just to know the basics. Some people are asking, right, what I'm covering. to understand what I am doing, that's why I'm typing this way. I understand. Okay, Cucumber is a tool which supports BDD. Okay, so Cucumber is a tool which supports the BDD framework. Okay, so this is the logic we are seeing. We are seeing Allure report. Okay, extend report to customizable. Okay. So to customizable report. Okay, I guess you already know HTML test and the HTML report. Okay. So this right, you already know test and HTML report. Okay, so this is what I am planning to do now. Okay, this is what we are going to construct now. Okay, so this is the logic. Okay, so then we'll straight away move to the hands-on now. Okay, Satish, you're there on the call.
Yeah, fine.
Share your screen. Okay, Satish, right? You create a small your project, right? A new project. You name it as workshop Cucumber project. Create simple project. You could go and go slow, but create give a Maven project. Okay, click next. Okay, click create simple project and give and name it as workshop Cucumber project. Okay, and you click next. Okay, you go to the POM.xml, right? You copy that and paste it, and copy all your dependencies and paste there. Okay, we'll discuss about the dependencies. Please wait. Okay, all your dependencies. Okay, so all this will we are adding some dependencies, right? Extend report, like I'm generating Allure report. Okay, okay, Cucumber test ng extend report. Okay, and Cucumber JUnit report, I'm going to run in JUnit, and Selenium Java, and Apache PY is for Excel sheet. Okay, and this one is Cucumber. We can generate Cucumber report also. So there are different reports. Cucumber report also we can generate. Okay, log4j, I know. I hope you are aware of log4j, right? So we can get what is the execution we can get in our console output, right? For that one, okay. Then we for execution we need two plugins. One is Maven compiler plugin and Maven Sunfire plugin. Both is needed for generating Allure report and for Jenkins execution. For Jenkins execution also we need this plugin, Maven compiler plugin and Maven. Can you hear me? Am I clear? Hello? Can you hear me? I hear a background noise. Can you hear? Am I clear?
You are clear. I feel people should be supposed to mute.
Sorry, why my voice is clear?
Your voice is clear. But someone is talking in behind, so I guess you can mute them by yourself, or if they are not muting.
His name is Redmi.
There are multiple people who are not muting their mic, I guess. Like
Right.
Redmi.
Okay. Okay. Satish, right? Okay. So this is Satish. I'll mute your mic. If you want, you can unmute and speak. Okay. Okay. So if you want, you can unmute and hope you remember your mic is muted, Satish. Okay. So you did right. Then you update the project. Same thing what we did last time. Okay. And remember in POM.xml, if you are using JUnit jar should be there. If you are running that Cucumber file with testng, your testng dot should be there. So that is the difference, right? If you are running in testng, your JUnit should be removed. Okay, that will be a problem. So make sure which framework you are running, and that dependency should be added. Okay, and if you are running with JUnit, Allure JUnit should be there, and Cucumber JUnit should be there, and JUnit dependency should be added. Okay, these are all the small modifications you should do in your project. Okay, so understood, right? Okay, now Satish, what we'll do is, yeah.
Yeah, today in which method we have to run? JUnit or testng?
We'll run with first with testng, then we'll run with I think testng. I think they all know JUnit. I think so.
Okay, because in this dependency there is no JUnit dependency, so that's why I'm asking.
No. You no need of JUnit. We'll run with testng today.
Okay, fine. Then okay, fine.
Okay.
Can you share this POM.xml now?
You copy from the properties and paste in the. I think you should. We can send that form.xml in chat. It will take only up to some lines. If you want, you should ping me in WhatsApp. Then only I can send. Satish, copy from properties from the 6th line. No need to copy from the first line. No. You Satish, right? Copy from the 6th line. If someone needs pom.xml, they should ping me. Someone needs. I don't know how.
Joshi, I shared a link. I think everybody can access that link, and can you paste there? Like collab edit?
Yeah. You but Satish, right? I think he has sent some link.
Yeah, just now I sent.
In the chat.
Just now I sent.
You open the link. I think if you paste, everybody can access it. Can you add?
Yeah,
Like who is talking now? Who is talking now?
Jagdish. Yeah, Jagdish talking. Jagdish.
Jagdish, you tell them how to access the link.
No, just access the link, and if you paste, right, everybody can access it.
Okay.
You can paste there so that everybody can copy.
Okay, fine. That's good.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Okay, see guys, 1 minute, right? Let them all copy. Just Satish, give me some 2 minutes. I have some one work. I'll come back and just let them copy the form.xml. I'll come 1 minute.
Okay, fine.
Okay, we are done, right? We'll go move to the next slide. That is right. Since we are doing with TestNG, we are dealing with TestNG, right? So can you show them how to download the TestNG fast, right? I think most of you know TestNG, right? Can you want TestNG? Guys, can I have a quick guess?
Yes.
You all know, right? No need to go for TestNG. We'll go to directly Cucumber, right? Okay. Satish, you can go to right Eclipse, right? Go to Eclipse. No need to TestNG, right? Go to help. Eclipse Marketplace. Okay. Type Cucumber. You should install these two plugins, Cucumber Eclipse plugin and Natural plugin. Okay. So make sure you are installing this two plugins in your Eclipse. Okay. So Cucumber Eclipse plugin and next one is your Natural plugin. So you all can hear me, right? So you should install all these two plugins in your Eclipse. Okay. Okay. Next one is you close it, right? Okay. Next, like quickly, we'll form a structure. Okay. We'll see. We are going to run the same code. Application is same. Okay. That orange HRM demo only. But so we are concentrating more concepts rather than application. So we are going to use the same orange HRM demo. So same thing which we did last week. Okay. Same application, same thing, but we are concentrating more on the concepts rather than your application here. Okay. So Satish, quickly, can you do the like structure? No need of Excel utility. We are not using Excel utility. No need. I just delete it. No need. You give only Selenium utility. Yeah. Since we are doing from data driven through future file, we are not using Excel utility here. Okay. Right quick, right? Then go to SRC, create 3 packages. One is a com.pages. Okay. And the next one is your com.step definition. See guys, last week we do test cases, right? In that place, step definition comes. Okay. So step definition will come in the place of your test cases, the thing which we did last week. Okay. And next one is your selling it, right? You create a login orange HRM page, right? Or you create the SRC test resources. Like SRC test resource. Yeah, right. Right click it, folder, right? Create the driver files, future files, config property, configuration property, and screenshot. And the screenshots, right? Anything I'm missing here?
Report folder.
Report folder. Good. Thank you. Report folder. Yeah. Okay. So fine, right? We are just half ready, right? Okay. Then what we do is, okay. The project power stuff. Okay. You copy that, right? You copy the drivers and paste that. Good, right? You copy the drivers and paste the config.property. Future file. Okay. Test case dot future file. The test case dot future file. The future file should be given when what are they? See, future file should be given as dot future file. Okay, then only it will take as a, so the extension should be test case dot future. Then only it will take as a future file. Okay, okay. And the in future file only we are going to use give our Jerkin language, use our Jerkin language, and create some simple test cases so that that can be converted to our automation script. Okay. Okay, create a config property file.
Yeah. Yeah, fine.
Okay. So you did right. Okay. Next one is right. You have this drivers, futures, screenshots, everything is ready, and you copy the library class from the previous project. I hope everybody got the library class which we did last week, right? Same thing. I'm doing using the same code, not anything new here. Okay. Copy the library class and paste. Yeah. Now copy that and paste. Make sure you are changing the config property, the spelling is correct, and you are changing the, I think the rest, I think no need of no changes. All right. Make sure their config property and the path is correct or not. Yeah. Okay. See, as I told you, this is a library class. This is a base class where all your initialization methods will be there. For example, right, launch an application. We spoke at this last time, but I'm just telling some if someone is new, if they can understand this basics, right? Okay, so this library class is for just installation of the code. Like, for example, I want to launch in browser Chrome. I want to launch in Firefox. Here we use if else we can use switch case also for doing that. If I want to, if I'm using more like Safari, right, IE, like that, I can use switch case also, and I can do here. So this is just a basic code, right, for a launch application and for the close app, which I'm going to do. Okay, so this is this is nothing but a initialization code, the basic initialization code which can be used upon all pages and different application. It can be, this is common for everything. Okay, so next one is next one I'm going to create is a Selenium utility. Selenium utility, you can copy that and paste that is from the we can minimize the time here. Yeah, Selenium utility class will have all your methods of your Selenium. Like for example, you would have learned about taking a screenshot, right? Getting a title or getting a text, right? Or like selecting a drop down or handling a keyboard and mouse operation, a drag and drop, frames, right? and windows, alerts. So all this, I can hear me. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, yes, sir. So basically, it is an reusable functions,
Yeah,
right,
it's
sir?
a reusable functions.
Mm.
So that you create all your Selenium reusable functions, you create and keep it here. So you practically, if you learn Selenium, this is in a framework class, right? If you know basic classes, what and all you learned the basic Selenium, the topics like concepts, those reusable functions can be used here, and you call it your script. Okay, so no need to write code for each time, like select drop down, take screenshot, get title, right? No need to use that. You can just keep all your uh, functions here, and you can call it a script. So that is a basic idea behind this Selenium utility. Okay, next, right?
Can you share this,
Pardon me.
Josh? Can you share this code in that link? Collab edit. Paste it.
Satish, right? You paste this code, and you can copy the both library class and this one. Okay, both random பண்ணிருப்பான். Give a title and give it or a difference you in collaborate, right? And give it as a library class on column, then you do it. You delete that. I think everybody copied. I think so. You delete it and paste again. இல்ல அதுலயே கொடுக்குறியா? Okay, then fine. Library class அதுலயே கொடுத்துற அதான் best. Library class you give one colon, then ஒரு 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 லைவ் ஒரு இது மாதிரி கொடுத்துரு, ஹெட்டிங் மாதிரி கொடுத்துருல, கீழே வா, மேல போ, லைப்ரரி கிளாஸ் போ, ஒரு கீழே வச்சு என்ட்ரட் ஈக்குவல் டு அப்படியே கொடுத்துரு. தட் குட். ஓகே, ஈக்குவல் டு okay, then you go to the last line and give that, you give a Selenium utility, same you give one colon and give one equal to like that, and you paste the code. Okay, so you copied and pasted, right, Satish? Okay, now what we'll do is you come down, scroll down. Okay, so next, right? You go to your SRC test resources.
Okay.
Okay, if you put a test case future file, you create a test case future file.
Yeah, one second. Before that, I just created the picture on the.
Yeah, fine, good. Okay. Okay, good. எல்லாத்தையுமே கொடுத்துடலாம். Take all right. We'll explain them later. இல்ல workshop cucumber project.
Yeah, okay. That's
Okay, done, right? Okay.
feature file, right?
Pardon me. Now we'll create the future file, right? Yeah, you can create. No, first orange HRM login, good. Okay. Future. Okay.
Config properties.
Pardon me.
Config properties. Can you share?
Yeah, you're doing parallel, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Parallelly we are doing.
Okay, you
Yes,
put
we are ready.
your config property, right? Okay. I guess no need to send the code today. You did, right? Okay, fine.
No, sir, we need it at the finally. You please, upload that to GitHub so that we can download and we can reproduce that.
Okay, so you are done, right? Future file. This future file tells about the description of the project which you are going to do. Okay. Next, you give scenario. No, scenario. Uh, Scenario. The description of the scenario. You hope you know what is test case and scenario and all. Okay. This is nothing but a test case, right? The scenario is like a test case. Is functionality. Functionality of Orange HRM. Okay. Okay, fine. Orange HRM login. HRM page, application or page, anything. That's fine, right? Okay. Next, right? Then you give, right? Next, okay. We'll go to the Jerkin language, right? Given. Given is nothing but a precondition. Okay. Precondition, right? Open the browser. Next one, first one is the given condition. Okay. Next one is when condition. When means given means open the browser. When means the action need to be taken. Okay. Next you give after this. No, you tell no need after URL, right? You enter username. You give enter username. Verify the correct. Verify the title. Okay. And then when. Next one is enter username. You can give two whens and right, or you can in the same when also you can give the password. Okay. When, right? Okay. Then you write then condition. Click the submit button.
Sir, in the line number 7, we can use and also, right?
Yeah. The last one defaultly takes the uncondition. Yeah, you can use and also. Yeah. You
Line
can
number
do.
7 after when second
We
is
can. Yes, we can do it. Yes, we can do. Yeah. Okay. And last one, I click the submit button.
Yeah, can you explain what is given when and then? Not very clear.
Yeah, 1 minute, right? Unclose the browser. Okay, good, right? See, given is nothing but a precondition. Okay, so precondition means for your application to launch, you need that Chrome browser to launch, right? And the URL to be entered. So given is nothing but a precondition for a test case. So suppose if you have done manual testing, right? You know the precondition. இது மட்டும் சாரி நான் தப்பா see if you are doing manual testing, right? So you will be writing pre-request, right? Precondition and post condition, right? So given is nothing but the same precondition. For using a test case, what is you need precondition, that is called as a given. Okay. When means when a browser is launched, what is the action you should take? First one we can tell, right? I verify a title. Okay. Then means what is the next condition you can do, right? Then what I can do, I can enter username and password. Then means what is next, right? Again what I can do, click the submit button. Okay. And land means you are closing it, right? And means closing the browser. So all these things are here given, when, then, and all is your Jerkin language which is used in this one. So your this future file is nothing but a BED. Okay. So why you are writing this future file means, suppose, right, in a team, right, there are some manual testers and automation testers. Okay. So what is the work of this manual tester is they will write this future file and give to the automation team. By seeing this, okay, the automation team will start writing the script. So this makes the easier, okay, the work little bit easier and more understandable. See, if a non-technical guy and comes wants to know what you did in your testing, he no need to know and go and study the code, right? He can see this future file and he can understand what is happened in the code. So this makes more understandable, easy, and it's a readable format. No need to know the technical language. Even the non-technical person, can you listen me?
Yes, Joshi. Continue.
Yeah, even the non-technical person also can understand this, right? So this makes the work little bit more easy way. Okay, so that is why this is called as a BD. Okay, so this is the framework which we add in our the existing the framework. Okay, so this is the understanding. Okay. Okay, okay, then, right, this is done, right? Okay, then we'll add something here. Wait, right, and at last we'll add. Okay, or we'll add, we can add later. We'll come back and do. Okay, or we'll
Can you share this also?
share this. Oh, wait, then we'll 1 minute, right? Satish, you can add the scenario outline also here. See, in data-driven testing, right? How you would have done your data-driven testing, right? Data-driven testing means passing multiple values in a single field, right? So we normally do with Excel sheet or data provider in our other frameworks. So that work can be done here in our future file. We can pass multiple data here, okay, in the future file. Okay, suppose, right, I want to log in with Satish, right? Or if I want to log in some other name like Franklin, I want to do it, right? So I can pass this with multiple values here. Okay. You give some other name, negative testing, right? So we will make it as a negative testing, and you give some where name where.
So either negative, this one is a positive.
Okay, fine. Okay, so correct. The credentials
Yeah.
are correct.
Sorry.
Credentials are correct.
Yeah. First one is a negative one, and second one is a positive one.
Okay, fine, right. So
What is the example?
pardon me. Pardon me.
Use of this example here.
Example is used for passing multiple values. See, right? In a enter username, these examples will pass these values like admin123 in your username and password. Examples means it's used for your iteration of your values here. You'll understand, right, please? Okay. So you, Satish, you copy this one and paste in your that particular URL which they gave, right?
It's better that you upload the file in Git and after that he will get downloaded. In between we are doing.
Okay.
It's better.
Okay, so it's done, right? Okay. The drivers is done. Future file is done now. Config properties done now. Okay. We'll go to the pages. You want the pages to be done from the start, or we can copy from the last class? It's up to you guys, right? What do you want?
Copy from the last class. It's better.
From last class.
Okay, you can copy from the last class, right? Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Satish, right? You copy from the last class. You copy the complete the code and you can place there. Yeah.
Sir, can you explain about the test runner once you copy that?
Pardon me.
Once you copy the test runner, can you please explain that as well? The test runner.
Test runner we don't do, sir. We are doing only
Okay.
pages here. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Thanks, sir.
See the same code which we did last week, right? Okay. Okay. அது லாகின் மாத்திருப்பா மேல போயிட்டு சீக்குட்ரு மேல போ.
Sure.
இல்ல ஸ்பெல்லிங் மாத்திரு லாகின் LOGIN.
Oh, okay. Okay.
இங்க கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட்லி மாத்திரா.
Okay. Okay.
Rename the rename.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so this is right. This page, this is a page object model, right? And page design pattern, which I told you. So I'm creating methods for each web element in that page. For example, right? Orange page login, username, password, okay, login button, and that logo is displayed or not. And with the help of find by annotations, I'm just right. Locating that particular app element, like with the help of ID, XPath, or whatever locators we have learned. And I'm using that page factory for initializing that particular element. So this is the logic. This is what we saw last week. Okay, last week we saw this same thing. I didn't do anything here. The rest everything code is same here. Okay. So now what we'll do is Satish, you go to your test case.feature file. Okay, now can you run the test case.feature file? You have to run link cucumber.feature.
No, wait a second. Actually, this was another.
No such window. What happened?
Nothing. 1 second.
Which one you are running?
This one only workshop for Cucumber, which are
Right click, run again.
I guess we are running different project.
Yeah, you are running a different project. Save your file also.
You can right click directly a feature file and run.
You go to the feature file, test resources. You go to feature file, you right click on that and run. Yeah, you run it now.
Right click on that feature file. We already implemented.
No. We didn't add steps, right? Step definition not added.
So all the values in this example, it will part of the test execution, or they are just dummy values?
No. It's going to execute all this. It will iterate. First time, see, 1 minute, Satish, right? Go to your feature file. The first time it will iterate admin. Okay, it will log in Orange HRM. It will give a small admin, that is like a lowercase admin, and then it's going to give password. Next time it will log out and again log in the Orange HRM login. then it's going to iterate the 15th credentials, right? Admin and the next password. So each time it will log in and log out. 2 times it's going to launch and log out. Can you hear me? Who asked? Got it? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, yes, we can hear you.
You got right? Okay. Fine, right?
Sir, and sir, yeah, I'm having one small doubt. So how did you generate that steps, sir? Actually, step definition. You generated at the rate and
See,
all, right?
it by
Sorry, I
default,
didn't see
right?
that.
Cucumber generates the steps. See, for each scenario, scenario outline given each jerkin keywords which we gave, right? It defaultly generates the methods for the keywords which we are giving here, like given, when, then, and. So for each keyword, it generates automatically generates a method. Can you run it and show
So for
again?
that we need to. Yeah, that's right.
You just run, it will generate the method. Our work is to copy and paste there. You got it, huh? So you'll generate the methods. You copy all those methods here, and you are going to first, right, Satish, you create a class there in your step definition.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Like a test case, right? Orange HR login steps. Login steps. Now you can go to a console and copy and paste all the methods here. Okay.
Can you repeat the step? We created a feature file and then we run it as a test.ng class.
No. We are running as a future file, and future file will generate steps that we are pasting in the step definition file.
So we run it as a Java project, Java application.
No. We are going to run as a test.ng.
Okay.
No, sir. While running, you might have chosen that Cucumber. Some feature was there. I think we need to
Cucumber
click on that
feature.
option. I feel.
They ran only test.feature file, and after that it gets
Run as Cucumber feature. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That one
This
we
is
need to
what
select Cucumber feature.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, Frank, it's done.
Okay, you extend that login steps.
Yes.
Can you share the code?
No. Wait. It's not done. Please wait. It's not done. So we didn't finish it. Okay. Then right. What we should do? Okay. Then right. You call that. Go to that. You first create the object. Correct. Good. On the login page.
One second.
Yeah, the login page.
Yeah.
No, third one. Login equal to. I'm creating an object here. Okay, good, correct. Then you call that launch app code which we did from our library. No, but oh, selenium utility. Okay, fine. Okay, correct. Good. Okay. You call that launch application method which we created in our library class now. We are calling that browser code. Okay, the initialization code. Okay. Next, right? Okay. Next, we are verifying the title. We are calling from the Selenium utility class which we did. I'm just getting the title here. Okay. Satish, right? Okay. Driver and cell dot get title. Okay. So you go and show them the method which you wrote in the Selenium utility. Go to the Selenium utility and show this method. This is the method we are calling it here now. Okay. I'm getting the title now. I'm calling this method. Okay, got it? Clear? Okay. Verify title.
Title, 1 second.
Verify title. Okay, good. Verify logo. Okay.
Basically, I understood, sir, from step definition, we are just calling the functions, right?
That's
We are
it.
not
Clear.
doing anything
That's it.
else.
Simple. Very simple. You got the point. Okay. We just call the functions. Okay. But what is the difference if you notice from the previous project and this project, right? You can see the given syntax, right? You can able to identify what we did in that method. It's like commenting, right? If you see in the given method, you can. It's like commenting, right? We use this out or we use some log4j and we do, right? So you see, you can comment it. You can able to understand the methods what is given the code. It's more readable, right? When compared to the previous hybrid without Cucumber. No, this you do in the next. This you do in the next method. No need to do here.
Okay.
Now, why there is an error there?
No, it's not.
Okay. Okay. Now you call the username and password here. Okay. I'm calling the methods which I created in the pages. The same thing which we did last time, but we are implementing in Cucumber way. That's it. But the same thing which we did last time in the last previous week, right? Well, the same thing. I'm not doing anything new here. Only the template is different, but the rest work everything is same.
Joshi, what are those special characters? Then in bracket enter the
See,
user.
yeah, test case feature. Have you you know the regular expression concept, right? Test case feature. It has you go 1 minute. Let him finish. 1 minute. 1 minute. See, this enter username and password. The enter username. You have 7th line, right? This username is
Right.
converted. Since I want to pass multiple values, it's converted in that way.
Oh, okay.
You got right. Here also you should change username 1, password. Okay, fine, right? Okay. You do that. You are in the I think some other project, the same project, huh?
Yeah. No, it's been to some other project.
Okay. Okay. This we did now. Okay. Then sys out. Okay. See, you give a sys out in each method. That will we are not using log4j here. So you give a sys out in each method, so that when in our execution we can able to see the title is verified. Launch the browser. Okay. And entered your navigator or something.
Can't we create that object means in the as a global variable as we are putting in every method, like login equal to new, like cell equal to new selenium utility driver, like object.
Not
Can
in
we
every
make
method.
it as globally?
No need of in every method. You just create one. That's it. No need.
Yeah.
Okay. You give login dot that you call that submit button method, right? What is the method you give? Login button, right? Okay. Then close the browser. You call that library class, right? Quit that tear down. Okay.
Sir, 1 second, can you click on that line number 36, that orange, that I just wanted to see that in class.
See, I'm just creating an object here, okay, for using this particular methods of the page, okay. So see if Satish, you run them and show what we keep outside, what happens when you keep inside, right? There is a null pointer exception is coming, right?
It will throw error
You
for
show them
null pointer
there's a null pointer exception is coming. That's why when we run, we'll show it. Please wait for 1 minute. I'll explain you why I kept, instead of keeping outside, why I kept inside. I'll show you in just a minute after creating a runner class. Okay, 1 minute.
It's done, fine.
It's done now. Okay, now step definition is complete, right? You copy the paste the code of both the pages and your orange HRM login in that site, whatever they told, right?
Yeah, okay.
Guys, next week definitely we'll see rest assured. Okay.
It's done, fine.
You're done. Okay. So we'll create the runner class now. Okay. So what's the time now? 12:50. We'll try to finish the next 1 hour. Okay. So on test runner. Okay, finish it. Okay. Okay, you got the class, right? You should paste before the class. First we'll try with Allure report. Then after that we'll go for extend report. Okay, we'll go one by one. Okay. Okay. So now what you do is you go to the previous project and copy that code, right? Go to the runner file. See runner file. From runner file only we are going to run. Okay, the word itself tells, right? So here only we are going to run the code. Okay. So you copy till monochrome true. No, you copy till monochrome true. Yeah. I think you copy all. So okay. You just copy extends and paste here. You copy the run with and comment it. It should be used only for your unit.
Yeah.
Add a line in 5th line. You comment and add a line in 5th line. இல்ல 5th லைன்ல போடு. இதுல வேணாம். ஒரு மேல போடு. மேல. அது இல்லப்பா, இந்த கோட் இதுல இருக்கட்டும். 6th லைன்ல இருக்கட்டும். 5th லைன்ல ஒரு கமெண்ட் போடு.
Okay.
Give double slash. Okay. You tell, right, run with should be used only in JUnit. It should be used in JUnit. Run with should be used in JUnit.
And test engine, you don't use?
Test engine, no need of. We are going to run it. We are not going to run with JUnit. We are going to run with your test engine. For test engine, we need this class. Okay, this package, abstract test engine cucumber test. We need this package. This package only, then it will run in your test engine. Got it, right? So now everything set, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we'll go for execution. Okay, run the code.
Yeah. Before that, we didn't mention anything like the Allure report, right?
No, first we'll show this, then we'll go for Allure report. One by one we'll go. I think you're running in which project? You are in that which project?
Yeah, same project.
And the
That
future file, you should change the future file, the path and all should, the future file should be changed, right? Check the path of the future file. And check the step definition spelling, right? Spelling of your current project step definition. Both are same.
No.
Sir, what is this line number 23? Why you have added? What is the significance of this?
Which one?
Line number 23, public class test runner extend something.
See, this right, this public class test runner is a class, right? It's a name of a class, okay? And we are extending this package for execution of your test ng. Wait, I'll run and I will take this and run. This won't work, right? This package is for your test ng. For test ng execution in your Cucumber, we need this package abstract test ng Cucumber test.
Can you go inside the package?
Okay. So that is a predefined one. That is not an user defined, right? That is a predefined.
Yeah, that is a predefined one. Yeah, it's not.
We need to use it predefined, right? Not an user.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you run that code now. The first time it's iterating, okay, logged out, okay, then see, it's again iterating. I told 2 times, right? Satish, if you give a thread dot slip in between the code, they will know, right? See,
Yeah.
it's the second line. Have you seen, guys? You give a thread dot.
First one is the negative scenario.
First time it didn't log into the application. Second time it logged into the application. Go to a steps like you give a thread dot sleep after clicking submit button. Before clicking submit, after clicking submit button. No. In the not other come down. Before after clicking thread dot sleep, yeah. Run the code. First time it iterated invalid credentials. You see, right? Invalid credentials. I did the negative part. Now it's again logging in, and it's doing the next part, right? So that is the purpose of the scenario outline. That is why we use examples to pass the data there. Yeah, fine, right? Good. It's working, right? Okay. So now Cucumber is done. Okay. Then I will go to the.
What is that glue?
Okay.
Line number 13, right? There is a parameter called GLUE. What is that?
Glue is the package which we are running. It's a com.step definition, right? Which package you are running? See, now I'm doing extend report. I'll uncomment this plugin and I'll show you in your extend. Now I'm doing Allure report. Just wait, after some time I'll show the extend report code also. Okay, please wait. Glue is the package which I'm running.
Just a question regarding glue if we have multiple Java classes in com.step definition, will it work in that case as well?
Yeah, if we have multiple com.step definition, we'll take all the classes. If I want to run a passive specific class, right, in your step definition, I can use tags. Satish, you know tags, right?
Yeah, in this line number 1, you have mentioned that at the rate orange HRM. What is that, sir? Actually, is it mandatory? We need to mention it in the
It's
first
like
line?
an ID, right? It's for understanding the unique feature, right? See, we can use multiple scenarios here. See, I wrote scenario outline for this one. You 1 minute, right? I'll show you my screen. 1 minute, right?
Meantime, can you paste the code, the test runner code, in that collab
You
edit?
do it, Satish, right? Okay.
Yeah, one second.
1 minute, right? I'll show my project. 1 minute. See, I can pass multiple scenarios here. Okay, so see, same thing. I can write lot of test case. I can write another scenario and write lot of test cases here. Okay, so we can keep on writing. That's why I given one unique ID to identify that one. Okay, so in our execution, right, I'll use tags here. Okay, 1 minute. See, I'll where's the tags? Tags is not here. Huh? 1 minute. Okay, Satish, you show them tags. You add tags and show them.
So is this the ideal case? We always have one feature class and multiple step definition classes.
Yeah, multiple scenarios will have, yeah. You add tags, right? See, I have only one tags, okay. Equal to and give the ID of that particular scenario, which test case which I am running, right? You copy the ID and paste it. So if I want to run multiple, I give comma and add all those test cases what I want to run. No, உள்ளே வரும். parenthesis உள்ளே வரும். வெளியில இல்ல, உள்ள. Give comma. And you give double quotes and you enter. Okay. So what are the tags? We wrote only one scenario. For multiple, you can do it. Okay, remove you got that, right? So like that we can add. Okay. So this is the logic. Okay. So now Cucumber is working. We'll go to this one, right? We'll go to our Allure now. Okay. Satish, right? You go to Google. I think everything is ready, right? For Allure. Okay. Okay. Go to Google. Okay, Maven download. Okay, you click Maven download. I hope Maven is you have downloaded, right? And you download the Maven. Come down. Binary zip, binary. You click this one. Now you know this. These are all basic, right? I think you are all advanced people. Okay. You click this one and you add this in the environmental variables. Okay. You add this. No need to download. You go to the path and show them. No need to download, right? You go there. You go there and copy the pin. You copy this path and you should paste in the environmental variables. You get it right, and it's already pasted here. You should paste that path, right? Apache Maven 3.163 slash bin. You should paste it. Okay, click OK and OK.
So Joshi,
Okay.
for Mac user,
For Mac, right? You are asking for Allure, right? Mac, you can
like environment variable setting. Do we need to put it in the profile?
For Mac,
Like,
actually, you can add it in the dot profile or bash profile file. You need to export the path to that file. It will be in your home folder slash users your username, and dot profile file will be there, or a profile file will be there, bash profile. You can add the path in that.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay, good, correct, right? Thank you. Thanks for help, right? Okay, then we'll go to Google. Now we should generate download Allure now. Okay, wait one slow up. Wait, you type Allure report GitHub. Okay, you should type in your Google Allure report GitHub, and you click the first link. Okay, come down. You click Allure 2, right? You click the Allure 2. Okay. See releases. Go to releases. Okay. Come down, right? You download the latest one. Wait, click panna. Wait. So you have the 2.13, 2.13.3, right? In that you have links, right? You click this download link. Okay, you click this download link. Come down. Click it. Download, click panna. Download, click it. Yeah. Okay. Now you unzip that folder. You just copy the bin and paste there in your environmental variables. The same procedure which you did the last time. Okay, got it right? Fine, right? You click OK. Okay, you did right. You click close and you go to the command prompt now.
Joshi sir, we need to download the bat file only for Allure report. There is no library for that.
There are some 2-3 ways. Okay, you can download in command prompt, and you can download through Scoop also. Can you go to that URL and show them? There are some 2-3 ways. I explored one way, and you can I have not try. I didn't explore that other way. Go to that and download. Click that one. There are some 2-3 ways you can do it. Calm down, calm down, right? Calm down. See, for Mac, you can try this one, okay? And for Windows, there is 2 ways. One, you can try this one, or the next one. You go up. This is what they recommended, but if I click it, it is not working. That's why I went in a different route. Maven Play Central. This is what it's recommended, but this one is not working. This URL is not working. That's why I went in through GitHub. So there are some 2-3 ways you can do try the installation. For Mac, you
So
can
for
go
Mac,
to, you go up Mac, you can try this one.
okay, fine, thank you.
Okay, you can go to the command line. Okay, and now you give right mvn hyphen version. See to check it's installed properly or not. So you'll get the I got the version right 3.6. So it's installed. Now give Allure hyphen version. No, you give Allure ALLURE. Give space. Give double hyphen. See, I got the version right. So it's Allure also. It's set up and it's fine now. Okay, so got it right. So next, right? So what we should do is we should now run the code. Okay, go and run the code and generate the Allure results now. Okay, so you go and Satish, you go to no. We should run your runner file. Okay, go to test runner, run that one. Right click.
So, sir, here it's not mandatory like how we were, adding the textual jars in a POM. It is not required in here in Allure report.
Sorry, sir, I missed your question.
So it is something like that. Usually for external dependencies, we were dependent on POM, right? Here,
Yeah.
for Allure, it's not required, right?
Yeah. So no, we are adding dependency. We added Allure test ng dependency.
Oh, in that POM it was there. Okay.
Yeah. We added. If it's not, it won't work.
Yeah.
See, it executed now, right? Go to your project and refresh the project now. The project refresh the project. You got Allure results, right? You got the folder here. Now go copy the path of the Allure results now, Satish.
It generated automatically.
Yeah, it generated automatically. Yeah, it's very easy when compared to Extend report. Okay.
It is because we have added it in pom.xml. That's why.
Yeah. Go to
Sir, if I'm not wrong, sir, please correct me if I'm wrong. When we have added already in a POM, so it is everything. It's supposed to be picked it from the repository, and it's supposed to be done from it and
yes,
from
sir.
its end,
Yes,
right?
sir. It's taking from the repository. Already the jars has been added corresponding. After that, if you run, it's calling from the jars. That methods is called.
Okay. But before what you have done, that is a prerequisite. When you do the Allure report, we need to download and we need to run that
Yeah,
commands and set
definitely.
that
Those are all prerequisites. We should do. Yes, it should be done. Yeah. Correct. What you told is correct.
So
Correct.
that's what
You
I
use the right term. Yeah,
that's what
correct.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, go to a command prompt. Allure. Okay. Serve we then the path. 1 minute. Whatever. Just this is the path. Allure serve, and you should give the path of the folder of your Allure results. Okay. Allure serve C users HP Eclipse of space, right? Should give this one and click enter. See, now a report has been generated. Okay, so this is a basic report. We are not added much tools and all. This is a basic, but you think in a project we can generate the reports here. Okay, so this is one report, Allure report. It's very easy. You can download through command line itself. Okay, you can generate through a command line itself. Okay, go and click the graphs, shoots, everything, and just overview. Right, I did no basic thing. It's a very basic report. I didn't add much test cases here, so it's a very basic report.
how did we generate that Allure results folder? What command did we give in command prompt?
No, Allure annual report, it generates itself. Okay, when you run the code, if it is everything is configured, it generates the results.
It is showing 0 tests in the graph kind of thing.
Which one?
In the graph, it is showing 0 tests. Graphs, can you go to graphs? So if you over on that, over means mouse over on the bar chart.
One test, one test.
Okay.
One test, 100%. You see the percentage, right? 100% passed.
Yes.
Okay. So this is one report. We'll show you the extent report also. Go to the code. We'll see that also.
Sir, in the command prompt, you have typed something. Na? Can you show it once, please?
You show, sir. You copy this and paste in that the path URL they gave, right? Okay, so this one. Hey, method now run the bracket paste. Okay. Good, super. Folder. Okay, now we'll do the cucumber. Okay, a cucumber part, right? You no, that's for JUnit, right? No need to do anything. You just uncomment the plugin. Okay, and you add that environmental details in that. We are adding the after class and the photo 30th line and photo 30th line. It's imported, right? Okay. You have that extend config also, copy and paste, correct. Perfect, right? Now you run the code, we'll see what happens. See, we are generating three report. We are generating three reports here: Cucumber HTML report, JSON report, and your action report. Three reports we are generating here. Okay, run it. Wait, Satish. Did you give the folder name properly? Wait, Pandya. The reports folder name HTML report hyphen cucumber. This path and data. Wait, 19th line, you have reports, right? Check you see the report R is a capital letter. Give the path in your the report HTML : reports, right? The path of your report folder should be given. And we didn't write the code for screenshot also. Okay, that's fine. Last week we showed, right? Screenshot, I think so. We showed last week. No need to add the screenshot code. We just put the path here in reports. Path, right? Not the full path. Full path. SRC test reports. HTML : right? Give that, right? That's fine. Okay, now run the code. We'll see.
Joshi, that extend config.xml, how does that generate it?
No, we did, and we copied from the previous project. We didn't generate it. We did actually manually. We did.
Okay.
Did you run it?
What's inside that extend config?
Yeah, I will show it. Wait, please. Okay, go and refresh your project. Refresh your project. I think the path you didn't give properly. Okay, extend, right? You have a Cucumber HTML report, right? Click that index.html. Cucumber report. Cucumber first you go to index.html. So this is a report, right? Cucumber report. Okay. So you can see, right, what are the values you passed and what is this in a username admin. Are you listening? Can you hearing? You can. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Okay, and you have the examples, right? Someone was asking the examples, right? And so you can see the admin, what are the iterations and what are the inputs you are given. First iteration you gave admin 1 2 3, and the second you gave admin 2. So this is a Cucumber report which is generated due to the dependency which you added in your Cucumber test-ng report, right? So through the dependency it generates this one, and the next one you go and click the extend report. I showed you 3 reports. Okay, this extend report, see, it looks very nice, right? So, so it's like it's very attractive and like this one, right? So you see, right? What are the futures? What are the scenarios you wrote? See what are the steps? You can scroll down. You can see the steps also. You can see the steps, right? And you can see the steps here. Okay, and how many 10 steps we wrote? We wrote 5 in Cucumber. We had 5 keywords, right? And for 5 we are giving 2 iterations, so 10 10 steps we are doing, right? So 2 scenarios and 2 steps. Okay, so the difference is for Cucumber, for Allure report no need to write the code, but for extend report we need to write some modifications we should do in the code. So that is the difference. Okay, so if you see, right, for Allure node, it just download, give the path, generate the report, and set one command line. But Cucumber is we have to do some modifications.
Joshi sir, can you tell us the extend config.xml? Because I'm not sure how we generate that for project.
No, we did manually. This one, you go and click extend -config.xml. It's for generating. It's for generating. Okay. This one, we gave this one, the header, the report name, header on the version of that one. So we did manually. It's not generated.
Okay. So it's kind of configuration that we need to do.
Yeah, it's a kind of configuration. Yeah, we should do setting up for generating the report.
Can you share that file?
Satish, you can do it, right?
Sir, what is there inside the test hyphen output just above that?
Test output is a test.ng folder, sir. Test.ng report. If you know test.ng, you will understand that one. It's a test.ng report. Expand the test output. You can see a test.ng HTML report also. Index.html. This is a test.ng report, right? You go for emailable report. Click emailable report. Email. Index failed. See, you get it. This is a test.ng report. Okay, so that's it, right? So what's the time now? It's almost 1. Jenkins, I thought. Okay. We'll stop or like what is your?
I guess Jenkins we can take it later because we can run all the projects in Jenkins later once we done with the rest assured kind of thing. That's okay. I think.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay, so we'll stop. It is next week. I'm sure there is no doubt. I'm going for API. Okay, so next week we'll be this. No, you send in that link, Satish.
Sir, can you please upload this to GitHub so that we can, it will be helpful for everyone.
Yeah, we'll do. Satish, you do it in GitHub. You upload this and send the URL. See, guys, I'm going to send the code those who attended the workshop. Okay, so if you want the link, you please ping me in personally. I'll send you the link. So because like I don't want. I want the people interested to share the thing. Okay, so that's the logic. If you want the GitHub link, please privately message me. I'll share you the link. But YouTube, it's open to all. You can see that in my channel. I'll upload that in YouTube. You can see that. But code, those who ping me privately, I'll share. Those who ping only, I'll private. So that's a logic.
And sir, if you're talking about REST API, so I guess can we start from directly scratch, like downloading the Maven repo kind of thing, all the things?
So you want from
API.
the scratch, yeah?
Yes, API testing.
Yes, sir. Yes. I know. As a personally, I'm very new to rest assured. That's why.
Sure, we'll do it. We'll have 3 continuous weeks rest assured. Okay, so we'll start from basic, and I don't know, like we'll see, right? We'll go from basic.
Satish, can you share the test runner things also? The extended report part was not there. Test runner. The method was missing, and the content of the method was missing. No, below method is there, right? One more method that content is missing.
No, that this one, right? For
Extended
report.
See.
Thank you.
Okay, got right, clear, right? Okay. So Satish, you upload in GitHub. We'll stop the class.
Sir, we are doing it today or not?
No, which one?
API?
No, AP is next week.
Oh.
No, why you are giving user, you log in, right? Why you are registering? You are registering. You have the account, right? You go sign in. இல்லப்பா நீ sign in பண்ணு, create பண்ணாத. You have the account, right? Why you are signing again? Last week you showed the demo, right? Give the username and password and log in. Clone, second one. Paste the URI of this one. Which hybrid cucumber? What is a new thing which you gave? Hybrid. You gave public or private? Wait. You're logged, I think so. This one is not private. This you didn't make public. You go to your GitHub. No, you go and click new repository. Click new. Create one repository, right? Workshop, same thing. Workshop cucumber. Good. Okay. Come down. Project. Come down. Create repository. You copy this one and paste there. Yeah. Click next. Guys, Jenkins, we'll see. I'll plan. See, Jenkins, what we'll do is we'll upload in GitHub. From GitHub, we'll link and we'll run in Jenkins. We'll do one day. Okay. Finish it. And I'll tell you how about email configuration, everything you'll see there. Okay. Workshop, right? Okay. Okay. Go to workshop cucumber. It's done. It's finished. Go to your workshop cucumber package explorer. Right click. Go to team. Share project. Click that. No. Adilla. And the drop down. Adilla. Cancel. Click that drop down. Drop down main cucumber. Click it. Finish it. Okay. You done, right? Okay. Okay. So then, right. Okay. Okay. Next, what you do is no. You go to the project. Go to the project. Click commit. Did you commit it? You give Control A and you pull it, drag it. Control A, very. Control A, good. Select all, drag it. You give in commit message. You give workshop cucumber.
With Allure.
Yeah, first commit. Okay. Project first commit. Okay. Click commit and push. Okay. Click next. Give username and password. Click finish. Give username and password. Close. Okay, you're done, right? Go and check in the repository. It's done. Go and click it. Workshop. Go and click Satish. Okay. So guys, right? Those who are pinging me privately, I'm sharing this link. Okay. So, but video I'll upload in YouTube. You can download from there. Okay. So thank you guys. Nice meeting you again. We'll see you next week with rest session. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Joshi.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.